In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudways account. If you've ever looked into cloud hosting and felt overwhelmed by the technical side of things, you're definitely not alone. Setting up a server directly on providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS can involve command line work, security maintenance, and a lot of server management knowledge. Cloudways makes that process much easier by giving you a managed platform with a user-friendly dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to register your account, start the free trial, apply a promo code if you have one, and complete the verification process so you're ready to launch. To begin, open your browser and go to cloudways.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right and click the button that says Start Free or Get Started. This takes you to the registration page where you can choose how you want to sign up. If you prefer, you can use a single sign-on option like Google, GitHub, or LinkedIn. Otherwise, you can create your account manually with your email address. If you're signing up with email, fill in the form carefully. Enter your first and last name, then choose the option that best describes you from the drop-down menu. This helps Cloudways tailor the experience to your profile. After that, select your estimated monthly hosting budget. Then enter your email address and create a strong password. It's a good idea to use something unique here so your account stays secure. Before you finish the signup, take a moment to look under the password field for the small link that says "Got a promo code." Click it if you have a valid coupon or partner code, and enter it in the box that appears. This can unlock account credits, so it's worth checking before you continue. Next, review the required agreement checkboxes for the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Start Free. At this point, your account will be created and you'll be taken into the dashboard. Now, you'll need to verify your account. First, open your email inbox and look for the activation message from Cloudways. Click the Activate Account link inside that email. After that, you'll be taken to the phone verification page. Select your country, enter your mobile number, and click Send SMS. When the verification code arrives, type it into the field on screen and click Verify. Once that's done, your account is fully active. You should now see the first server setup screen. Before leaving the dashboard, quickly review the available application options such as WordPress, WooCommerce, or custom PHP.